Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use a soundboard in Discord. And to do this, first you will need to connect to any voice channel on your server, like that. Now underneath your voice connected, you'll see Open Soundboard. Click on it and now you can add different sounds for a channel if you're the admin for it, or see the default Discord sounds that you can use, so click on them to play it. You can also hold Ctrl+ to use Soundboard in-game overlay and instantly call them out. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.